Yeah, this is food challenge between these two men. 10 fufu. Let us see who will first and finish his own. Let me know who you think that is going to win this on comment section as we proceed. The game is getting interesting on seconds basis. 10 fufu, who can do this? If you know you can do this, let me know on comment section. Very, very important. Let us know where you're watching from. This is Martino Ezugo Kitchen. In this channel, we bring to you eating competition, food challenge, everything about food. The young man on red is doing what he knows how to do better. The other man on green peep is doing as if he is performing magic. The pressure is getting high. Who do you think is the king of this? I think the man on green, his own fufu is going down. Seafood now. When you see something, say something. Oh. The man on green, his fufu is remaining 5. The man on red, his fufu is remaining 6. Who do you think will be the winner of this game? The man on red is already tired. The man on red is already giving up. But you need to put energy because fans is gingering him. You want to drink water to push down the one that you have already eaten. But funny enough, he is losing strength. The man on green still have 3 wraps of fufu, while the man on red is still nowhere to be found. With the speed and the momentum of this game and consumption, who do you think will be the winner? Don't forget, the winner of this game is going home with some cash.